It's your girl Long Kim and today we're gonna do a get ready with me and up have down hairstyle. Okay, so let's do it. So I already prepped my hair last night, conditioned it, you know, oiled my scalp because I don't really like to put a lot of heat on it, but for this look I will, just to show you girls. Boop. Bam. See? I'm going to turn it on, the button on the side. It's 4 and some change. The hotter the faster I get it done. That's how I take it. I'm trying to go curly and go natural on my head. But for you ladies and gents and whatever, for my ladies, gents, and whatever you, and for all pronouns, I'm not gonna say whatever, for all pronouns, for my ladies, my gents, and all other pronouns. Okay, I love y'all all equally. And see, the clips are together. Comes with 10 clips, 2 sets of 4, 2 sets of 3, 2 sets of 2s, and 4 sets of 1s. Okay, the blend is here. See like that? And it blends beautiful. They have different colors, different shades. Black 1B, black B, black 1, black blah, 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 blah. Blonde. Booty, the booty, the booty, the booty, the booty. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna bring it down, So I need to cut my ends. I'm gonna get a curly cut. It's okay, I already prepped my hair yesterday, so we gonna get this back. See, my 3. We're gonna put it in the back. We're gonna unclip the clip. We're gonna measure it. You're gonna measure it. Okay. That. And then we put it on. Take a little strand. You can get some hairspray, but because this is a quick get ready with me, you know, if you want to use hairspray to make it more stay longer, so what I do is I just make a circle and click, circle, click, click, click. I make a circle like that. So that's basically how I tease my hair with the clip before I actually put the clip on. So, you know, see, look. Boom. See? Who gonna know? Who gonna tell me? This ain't my hair. This is my hair because I paid for it. So if you don't like it too big, you like it too big with this curly hair, blah 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 blah.